In this video, we'll look at contacts, what they are, and how you can manage them. In SparrowDesk, a contact is anyone who reaches out to your business through email, live chat, or any connected support channel. When a customer sends an email or starts a chat, SparrowDesk automatically creates a contact for them and links all future conversations to the same profile. You can access your contacts in two ways. Click Contacts from the left sidebar, or open Compass by pressing Command+K on Mac or Control+K on Windows, and search for contacts. Here, your contacts are displayed in a table view, along with details like their email address, phone number, organization, and more. To update a contact, just click on their name and make the changes directly from the profile. Inside a contact profile, the Conversations tab shows every ticket this contact has submitted so far. This helps agents understand the full history before responding. You can also see their page visits, which gives you insight into what they've recently viewed or interacted with in your website. If you want to block or delete a contact, you can do that from the More Actions menu in the Contact profile. You can also select multiple contacts from the table view and block or delete them in bulk. Blocked contacts are moved to the blocked folder, and any messages they send are routed straight to spam. Deleted contacts stay in the deleted folder for 14 days before being permanently removed. During this time, you can restore contacts individually or in bulk from the deleted view. Now let's look at how to add a contact manually. From the Contacts module, click New Contact, enter the required details, and click Create. If you already have a list of contacts, you can import them in bulk using a CSV file. Click the drop-down next to New Contact, choose Bulk Import, and upload your CSV. Map each column to the corresponding SparrowDesk field, then click Start Import. Your contacts will be added once the import is complete. For more advanced setups, you can also create or update contacts using SparrowDesk's API, or sync contacts from CRMs like HubSpot or Salesforce. Now let's look at how you can organize your contacts using segments. Segments help you group contacts based on shared attributes, like plan type, activity, or any custom field. For example, here I want to create a segment for contacts from the region North America. So I click on the Filter button, select the Contact Region filter, set the condition to Eyes, select North America, and click the Apply button. Once I save this, the segment is created and appears in the sidebar for quick access later. Alongside contacts, SparrowDesk also keeps track of the companies they belong to. When a new contact is created, SparrowDesk automatically identifies the company. All contacts using the same domain are then associated with that company. You can open any company profile to view its related contacts and their conversations, making it easier to manage support at an organization level. And that's how contacts work in SparrowDesk. From viewing contact details to managing activity and creating segments, everything is designed to give your team the right context at the right time, so you can focus on resolving conversations, not managing data.